So in this video, we will see how to import a CSV file into MySQL or MySQL Workbench, right? So I have already opened MySQL Workbench. So suppose you want to import any CSV file to MySQL Workbench. So this way you can do. So first we have to select the databases or we can select tables, right? So very good practice that we can select databases. So just click, this is the practice is kind of databases. This is all the databases, right? So we can click on one database name, and if you see that this is the kind of table data import wizard is here, right? So you just click left click on it. So now you can browse your CSV files. So browse, and this is one CSV files is on my desktop. So I'm selecting this, open, and click on next. So this is the kind of some information like create new tables. This is practice. This is the practice databases, and the employee names tables will be created. So under the practice database, employee table will be created. And if you select drop table if exists, then if any names of tables already exist, then it will be drop. So for this moment, I am unchecking it, and just click on next. Okay, so now this is the kind of detect the file format CSV. This is the encoding mechanism. So UTF-8 it is automatically default is selecting. Let it be default. And so this is the columns name for our employees CSV file. This is source column. The source columns I have first name, gender, start date, last login, salary, bonus, senior management, and team. This is the field name or the column name, and this is the for respecting the first name we have the kind of data type text. You can also modify it, we can teacher geometry doubles, according to requirement we can select the field type or data type for columns. And by using alter statement we can also change the data type for the headers or the column names, right? And after that, if this goes right, then this is the like some information. There's a preview kind of data. So what the data we have. So this is the header information, and this is the like row or the tables row is available, right? Just click on the next and click on the next. Let's wait some moment. Okay, so finish performing task. So click on the next. So 1000 recorded imported means 1000 recorded inserted in your employee table under the practice databases. So click please, and just here the click on this is a refresh button here. So click on the refresh here. Okay. So if you go, this is practice database. If you go, and be this is the table information. So if you see that this is the employee tables in employee table is created and data is inserted. So let's verify that. So we are using a practice database. So use practice, run that. Okay, just select Sharp employees. So this is the means tables is coming. We can also validate, select count star employee. So this is 1000 record. So this way you can import any CSV file in your MySQL Workbench. Uh, that's all for this video. If this video really helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel for more upcoming video. Thank you.